Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next tap on search pool and type clone. Then go for the dual apps. And here we can copy the very application that we have on our smartphone. For example, we can try to make it with maybe with Instagram, for example. So click here, tap to turn on. And right now we can go for the home screen and just check if it is working. So yeah, here we got 2 Instagram icons. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.